Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT 2025 Chemistry MCQs Part 1E. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. In protein structure, the alpha helix and beta pleated sheets are examples of option A primary structure, B secondary structure, C tertiary structure, and option D quaternary structure. So the correct option is B secondary structure. So explanation is these are the two main types of secondary structure. The number of helices present in a collision molecule is option A 1, B 2, C 3, and option D 4. So the correct option is C 3. Collision is a triple helix of 3 polypeptide chains. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which bond is present in the primary structure of protein? Option A ester, B hydrogen, C ionic bond, and option D peptide bond. So the correct option is D peptide bond. Peptide bonds link amino acids in the primary structure. So this is very important MCQs. In essential amino acids in main is option A proline, B threonine, C asparagine, and option D tyrosine. So the correct option is B threonine. Threonine must be obtained from the diet. An amino acid that does not form an alpha helix is option A asparagine, B tyrosine, C tryptophan, and option D proline. So the correct option is D proline. Proline's rigid structure disrupt alpha helix formation. The protein present in here is dash. Option A elastin, B prolamine, C keratin, and option D gliadin. So the correct option is C keratin. Hair is primarily composed of keratin proteins. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. In mammalian cells, ribosomal RNA is produced mainly in the option A nucleus, B nucleolus, C ribosome, and option D Golgi apparatus. So the correct option is B nucleolus. Nucleolus is the site of rRNA synthesis. A polymeric unit of starch that has a branch structure is option A glucose, B amylopectin, C isomaltose, and option D amylose. So the correct option is B amylopectin. Amylopectin is the branched component of starch. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. The repeating disaccharide unit in cellulose is option A sucrose, B maltose, C dextrose, and option D cellobiose. So the correct option is D cellobiose. Cellulose polymers consist of repeating kilobiosm units. Which of the following amino acids is sweet in taste? Option A, glycine, alanine, glutamic acid, and option D, none of these. So the correct option is A, glycine. Glycine is the only sweet tasting amino acid. Thank you for watching my videos.